So now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So make sure you subscribe if you've not done that. Like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. Find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. And right now, guys, the mentorship program is currently ongoing, right? Currently going on in the Patreon channel. So if you would want to be part of it, right, all you just need to do is go to the Patreon channel and subscribe to the mentorship program. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section because there we are going to be going live, right, and in-depth analysis and so on. More and more will be covered on the channel. Now, let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for the day. It is very clear that our trend on gold is in an uptrend move. We are definitely in an uptrend move. So you can see that market is clearly trending to the upside. Market is very much bullish right now. Guys, now take a look at this moment right here. This is the first high that market did give us. Here comes the higher low, right? Market was not able to push up again to form a higher high. Here comes the higher low. The market pushed up one more time again to form a new high in first move, which took out this previous high, right? Now we will be anticipating for an higher low and then one more movement to the upside. So above all, gold will be giving us a bullish move for the day. So whatever you want to be expecting or whatever you want to be looking out for your gold, be going in for the buy. Gold will give us a bullish move. Now, if in case there's going to be any changes to this our prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates and let you guys to know about that. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, subscribe to the channel, like and share. And you can also subscribe to the Patreon channel also in order for you to also stay updated.